In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split an audio track into Descript. If you've ever found yourself needing to isolate parts of an audio file for editing, this tutorial will guide you through the process with ease and precision. Whether you're editing a podcast, an interview, or a personal audio project, splitting tracks can provide greater control over your content and allow for more nuanced editing. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your Descript project. Once your project is open, locate the audio file that you'd like to work on. Simply click on this audio within your project timeline. This is your starting point, and it's important because it sets the stage for the editing steps that follow. Click on the audio to select it, making sure that this is the track that you want to split. After selecting your audio track, take a look at the tools available to you within Descript. You should see a split option. The next step is to click on this split option. This is the core function that will allow you to divide your audio into two or more separate segments. Splitting your track can help you focus on specific sections of your audio for more detailed editing. Once you have clicked on Split, you may want to separate the other track if you prefer. This means you can isolate each segment of the audio, allowing for more precise adjustments. For instance, if there's a section of the audio that requires noise reduction or volume adjustments, separation makes it easier to apply those changes without affecting the rest of the track. Now, why would you want to separate your audio tracks? Well, by splitting and separating, you can work on individual sections, applying specific edits where needed. This might include removing background noise from only one part of the track or enhancing the sound of another section. Separation allows for targeted editing and ensures you maintain the integrity of the original recording and other parts of your project. As you continue to work within Descript, remember to frequently save your project. This ensures that all adjustments are recorded, and it keeps your project safe in case of any technical issues. Continuing to separate sections of your audio track grants you flexibility, enabling finer edits that can drastically improve the quality of the final output. Whether it's balancing audio levels or fine-tuning specific parts for clarity, the process of splitting and separating tracks is invaluable. And that's all there is to it. With these simple steps, you can easily split and separate audio tracks within Descript. By mastering this skill, you'll be on your way to producing polished and professional audio projects. Thanks for watching, and happy editing!